The idea to use gaming technology was born out of a discussion between myself, the Director of Technology, the Middle School Technology Coordinator, and the Middle School Division Head, which is like the principal at our independent school. I indicated that I'd be willing to support whatever the initiative is with the appropriate hardware, software, and time and expertise. And the middle school division head indicated that she would be willing to approve a course once we've done the research. And the middle school technology coordinator would actually implement the course. The next step involved me having a conversation with my son, who was spending a lot of time on his computer playing a game called Minecraft. And our conversation centered around the possibility of using the game some way as a course in the middle school. This led into a conversation between the middle school technology coordinator and my son to discuss how this may play out in a real course. Here's an example of Minecraft using something called redstone, which is like electricity and has characteristics of electricity.
Minecraft is a game where you can play either single player or multiplayer. It developed into Minecraft is redstone, which is also electricity, which you can use redstone torches to power. Now, here's a couple examples I have made. Here's a piston, which pushes a block up. But leaves it in the air. Now, with a sticky piston, I can take a block up in the air and bring it back down.
The next example is an example of making the electricity or redstone more complex and using it as in a switch environment that'll open and close a door.
When I press this button, the door will close. When I press this button, the door will open. This is known as an RS NOR latch.
This next example shows the difference between a simple electrical circuit and an electrical system or redstone system.
When you press a button in Minecraft, it only stays lit for a couple of seconds. But when you hit a button attached to this system, it'll stay on until I destroy this.
Our final example shows how taking electricity or redstone and putting into a much more complex system using TNT, obsidian, and being aware of how TNT interacts between the obsidian and water, and making this complex system, which is a cannon, which will throw the TNT and let it explode.
This is a complex system I made using redstone, TNT, obsidian, and redstone repeaters. When you push this button, it'll activate the TNT in here, falling into the water, which will cause it not to explode any of the redstone. But after about a second, it'll light this TNT, which will lay it in the redstone repeater, causing this to explode before this piece of TNT, which will send the piece of TNT flying into this tree.
The example illustrated here is not just an example. It's a real-life project in process in a middle school, in a school in America. The student-teacher design phase of this course is nearly complete. The students who are involved in the design phase will begin building the Minecraft server that will be sitting on the school's network and available to the students for the course. These same students will act as teaching assistants when the course is executed. A powerful example of meeting the digital native on their own turf, the virtual world.